Hi, I want to tell you all about which standard books you can refer for your NEET PG entrance during your preparation of NEET PG. Which are the standard books which you can refer and should try to read and try to get information from which all standard books. So, yes, I will start. I have tried to arrange it year wise. So these are the standard books which I referred during my preparation of NEET PG, which I did during my internship. So for anatomy, I read B.D. Chaurasia. I have just kept the general anatomy handbook, but yes, of all the parts, head and neck, chest and thorax and abdomen, everything is important. Especially there are many images given in all of the BDCs, so the images are very important. Then for neuroanatomy also I had referred to Vishram Singh. So for example, this image of the cranial nerve, all the cranial nerves is very important. Very important. So likewise, there are some images like this, then of all the dermatomes, which is given in this book of Vishram Singh. So I have marked them here and folded the pages. So likewise, even you can do the same. So this is neuroanatomy, and for physio I refer to Guyton, but it was for only few topics, few images. So I did not feel it was necessary to refer to Guyton for physiology or biochemistry. You need not refer to any book. Then second year subject in microbiology also, this book is not that important for PG because most of the things are given in the CRS copies and DAMS notes. But for example, my DAMS notes did not have the non-tuberculous mycobacterium classification, so I cut it from this. I cut this page from this book of microbiology and stuck it in my notes. And likewise, my notes did not have the classification of viruses, so I even cut this page of classification of viruses and stuck them in my notes. So whatever I felt was missing, only these two parts were missing, and rest, this book is not that helpful for your PG preparation. Then for FM, this book also is not that useful. I had only referred to this book for the glossy pages which had images, so I had cut the main images. So this is important for semen analysis. These are the crystals for semen and blood analysis, etc. So only the images I had referred from this book. Robbins, I liked pathology and Robbins, so I had read it in second year, but it is not necessary to read Robbins. So here also in Robbins, for PG, you should try to go through the images. There are plenty of images, so at least go through images of important topics of which have already been asked previously in previous years. Many histopath images which are important. This has been asked previously, Kaposi sarcoma. So both the systemic as well as general pathology from Robbins. And for Pharmac, KDT is not important for your PG because most of it is written in your notes. Then third year, first part, that is my ENT. So in ENT also, only the last part of instruments I felt was important. In ophthalmology, this book is filled with images which are many images which are important, really important. So go through the images in ophthalmology. This year also there was an image based question from ophthalmology, so it is important. And for PSM, your notes and CRS copies are enough for PG. You need not read PARC for it. Then final year OBGY may also there are only some images which I felt are important, like this for classification of placenta previa. Only some images. And here also the last part, it has all the instruments which are important. Practical obstetrics, so all the images are important. Then for surgery, I had just gone through all the images from ऊपर से, not entirely, because this book is very huge, so you won't be able to see all the images. On these images are not helpful, only these demonstrative images. Passaro triangle, many images and tables. Direct indirect hernia, yes, this was missing from my notes of DAM, so I had to refer it hernia from my from Manipal and SRB. Even this surgery, it has an entire section on instruments, so even this is important. Then orthopedics, even this has some images, but the last part of instruments, again, it is important. This has been asked previously, so it is important. The bone nibbler, bone cutter, and this has been asked. Plate and bone holding forceps has been asked. So even this, all of this is important. And medicine, you need not refer to any standard book for medicine. And for pediatrics also, Ghai is not that important, because most of it is written in the notes. So only this, and so these were all the standard books which I had referred, and you can refer to, but only if you have a doubt and you want to know a concept, should you read a topic from your standard book. Rest, all the standard books are important mainly for the images, especially Robbins. And tables from Harrison, you can read it from Harrison or from your CRS. Okay. Thank you.